Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your resources with Rackspace, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Rackspace account. Navigate to the Cloud Control panel. Select the Security tab from the dashboard. Click on Firewall to set up network security. Create a new firewall configuration. Assign rules to allow or deny traffic based on your requirements. Next, implement security groups for your resources. Access the Cloud Servers section. Choose the server you wish to protect. Assign the appropriate security group to that server. Now, let's configure monitoring for your resources. Go to the Monitoring section in the Control panel. Set up alerts for performance metrics as required. This will help you stay informed about any unusual activity. Next, enable backups for your resources. Select the server or resource you wish to back up. Click on Backups and configure the desired backup schedule. Review your backup settings to ensure they meet your needs. Now, consider using multi-factor authentication for added security. Go to the Account settings. Enable multi-factor authentication to secure your login. Implement encryption for sensitive data. Access the Storage section to manage data securely. Select the data you want to encrypt and follow the prompts. Regularly review your resource configurations and security settings. Make necessary adjustments based on evolving security threats. Finally, stay updated on Rackspace security best practices. Monitor Rackspace blog or forum for the latest guidelines. Regularly train your team on security protocols. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.